Introducing JRMP-09, our latest ruggedized, explosion-proof cell phone designed for the toughest environments. It's IEC-EX and ATEX certified, ensuring safety and reliability in hazardous areas. Completely waterproof, built to last, and engineered for performance. Equipped with walkie-talkie functionality, 5G and Wi-Fi connectivity, long battery life and ample storage, all running on the Android operating system. And for added security, the JRMP-09 has no camera. Let's take a closer look at some of its features. The walkie-talkie function is just like a traditional one, but even better. Simply select the channel, press to talk, and stay instantly connected. As you can see, it feels just like the real thing. The app tray works just like any other Android device. You can browse the internet effortlessly as the JRMP-09 supports both Wi-Fi and 5G, keeping you connected wherever you are. Stay in touch through messaging apps like WhatsApp, or manage work on the go by sending and receiving emails directly from the device. As demonstrated, seamless, simple, and efficient. JRMP-09, built for reliability. Designed for the extreme.